What's going on? Today I took one super simple trade and it ended up paying me out. I never posted my trading recap from Friday, so I'm going to go ahead and recap that today as well. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so on Thursday, we did end up taking a $30 loss on the day. But it's 100% okay because on Friday we took a $41 winner. Well, essentially a $42 winner. Today we have another $36 winner. I'm super happy about it. So one loss and two wins altogether on the account. That brings us to a total of 47.28 out of this range. So here's where we're at. You know, we've had 3 trades. One was a losing, 2 winning, and the metrics and everything look really good. The average winner is higher than the average loser, even though we've only had one. You know what? I couldn't be any happier with how things have been going for me. I'm trading on such a small account. You know, every trade really does count, and I don't plan on sizing up anytime soon. I don't want to get ahead of myself, that's for dang sure. But let's go ahead and break the trade down from Friday. On Friday, we see this bullish push up and then a pull back close to VWAP, and I waited for my flat bottom candlestick, which we got here. So I went long, put my stop loss below the low of the next candlestick, and I waited for a 2-to-1. It essentially hit my take profit almost immediately. So let's go ahead and go to today's trade. Now, again, super easy price action to follow. We get this long push, this long leg up, another pullback. Notice this higher low here. And then I started seeing a lot of good buying momentum. So I went long at the top of this candlestick, put my stop loss here, and again, went for another 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. The trade ended up working out super easy. Didn't really have to wait very long for each one of them, and I couldn't be freaking happier about it. There is no better feeling than being green on 2 back-to-back trades, and they both last not very long. So looking at the price action, obviously, I could have made another trade, but again, I'm just trading once per day. You know, in the future, I might decide to go ahead and trade twice a day. But for right now, with me trying to narrow down my strategy, I really just want to focus on one singular trade a day and then building off of that. Super excited. I'm happy to jump on the charts tomorrow, and I'll catch you for tomorrow's trading recap. Bye.